Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Housing Detail Drawing lesson. Open the Housing part, select the Configuration Manager tab, right-click and select Add Configuration. Type the name and description and click OK. Right-click on the default configuration, select Properties, and type a new name and description. Click OK. Right-click in the Forge configuration and select Show Configuration. In the Feature Manager, select the Quarter 20 tapped hole and select Suppress from the context toolbar. Select the number 632 tapped hole and select Suppress from the context toolbar. Select the slot and select Suppress. Double-click on the Front Cut feature, right-click in the Diameter dimension and select Configure Dimension. Type the new values for each configuration and click OK. Double-click on the shaft hole, double-click on the diameter dimension and change it. Select this configuration from the drop-down list and click OK. Rebuild the model to continue. Click and drag to split the Feature Manager. Select the Configuration Manager at the bottom and activate the Forge configuration. Click on the New command, select Make Drawing from Part, select the drawing template and click OK. Set the drawing sheet size to B Landscape. Turn off Display Sheet Format and click OK. From the View palette, drag the front view onto the sheet. Click to add the top, isometric, and right views. Click OK to continue. Select the front view and change the display style to Hidden Lines Visible. Select the isometric view and change it to Shaded with Edges. Click and drag the views to arrange them in the sheet. Right-click in the front view and select Tangent Edge Removed option. Repeat for the top and right views. From the View Layout tab, select Section View. Use the vertical option and select the edge indicated in the right view. Click to locate the section view to the right. From the View Layout tab, select Detail View. Draw a circle as indicated and locate the detail view in the sheet. In the Annotations tab, click on Model Items. Set the options and click OK. If needed, Change the drawing units to 3 decimal places. Click and drag annotations to arrange them in the screen. Hold down the Shift key and drag a dimension to move it to a different view. Drag the dimensions witness lines to arrange them. Right-click on a dimension and change it to display as diameter. Continue arranging the dimensions in the drawing. Drag a dimensions arrow tip to move it to a different edge. In the Annotations tab, click on Center Mark and select the circular edges. From the Annotations tab, click on Centerline and select the cylindrical faces. Right-click on Sheet 1 in the Feature Manager and select Copy. Right-click again and select Paste. Select Insert after selected sheet and click Yes to rename the new views. Right-click on the Sheet 1 tab, select Rename and type Forge. Right-click on the second sheet, select Rename and type Machined. Activate the machined sheet, select the front view, and change to the machined configuration. Click on Model Items and click OK to import the missing annotations. Arrange the new annotations as needed and delete the unnecessary ones as before. Click on Center Mark, click on a hole, and click on the Propagate icon. Repeat for the section view. Click and drag the detail views circle to resize it if needed. From the View Layout tab, select Detail View, draw a circle, and locate the view. Select the Smart Dimension tool and add the missing dimensions. Select the Center Mark tool, select a slot, set the option to slot, and click on the Propagate icon. Add the missing center lines to the detail view. If not visible, right-click on a toolbar and make the Layers toolbar visible. From the Layers toolbar, select Layers, click on New, rename it Reference, and click OK. Select the reference dimensions and change them to the new reference layer. Save the drawing and close the file.